Hello again everybody and welcome back to Rattlesnake Canyon. Mike here again with what I consider to be a really exciting new piece of product news. This is a new product which is just coming out today. It's coming out from Arcadia. They've been teasing this online for the last week or two, and we've got just one of these in to check them out and see what they're like. There it is. Now, for those of you who can't read backwards, this is we're all used to the old Pro T5 kits that they've had out for a few years now. This is their Pro T5 Smart UVB kit. Now it's smart because it's controlled via an app, or can be, so that you can create sunrise, sunset. You can also potentially create cloudy periods through the day where you can adjust the levels of UV or the level of light from your UV and also from the LED. We've got this in the Shade Dweller, which is probably one of the most popular units at the moment, but they're also available in all sizes and all strengths, as well as in the LED bars that they do as well in various different lengths. So let's go ahead and just show you the unit itself. Very similar to the current Pro T5 kit, slightly deeper, about double the depth. Obviously extra technology in there for that. The tube itself is held in rubberized end caps like the old T8 units that some of you will remember. Those actually clip out of this unit, so you unclip the little plastic cover and then these slide out or pull out of the base unit. So then you've got the tube in those rubberized cups with their connector prongs, which just push back into the unit nice and securely, and then the retaining plastic clip over the top. So those just click in. You can hear that's a good solid click as they go in, and then the clips over the top. So that's that. Okay, fitting for it is very similar to the original units, kettle plug type connection. These are a little bit more, what I would say, they're probably a little bit more waterproofed, and I think the whole unit has been done with more waterproofing in mind. That's why they've gone back to the rubberized end caps. But once you plug that in, let's just switch that off for a second. So once you plug that in, that's all a nice unit. The clips, same as with the old Pro T5 kits, screw to the top of your vivarium, and they're, rather than being the silver as they are currently for these units, they're black, so it all nice and fit nicely, matches together. Now let's come to the controllable side of it. Okay, you have an app control, which I've got on an old phone there. So when we link that up to this particular device, you can see there's a slider bar there with manual adjustments, or you can set time periods where you have different levels of power through the UV. So what I'll do is just show you it with the manual for now, because it's nice and simple. So if you can see, the tube itself is currently off, and we slide that slider up a little bit. It comes on at a lower power, and then we can get it all the way up to full power. Now this gives a lot of functionality. Let's turn it back down again. I think personally this is a brilliant idea, because that means that you can do a complete day and night cycle. You can raise the UV slowly in the morning so that the sun rises. You can also, if you've got the stat ability to do it, do the same with your temperature. So if you're using something like an Evo Connected, then you can set your temperature to come up at a slower level along with your UV, which is very natural. I personally think this is a big step forward in technology. Price wise, they're looking at being around about £20 more than the original Pro T5 kits, but then you've got a lot more technology in them. So let's see how we get on with them. And if you've got any questions, anything you want to know, drop them in the comments or give the shop a call and we'll be able to help you out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.